Hi everyone, I'm your local real estate expert here in the beautiful Philadelphia area. Today, I want to share some important insights from the National Association of Realtors' latest report on the housing market. According to the NAR, pending home sales in May 2024 saw a slight decline of 2.1% from the previous month. While this might sound concerning, there's actually a lot of positive news hidden in the data. For instance, the West region experienced a significant improvement with a 1.4% increase in contract signings. The Northeast, which includes our very own Philadelphia area, also showed a promising rise of 1.1%. Now, let's dive into some specific stats for our local areas of Chester County, Bucks County, Delaware County, Berks County, and Montgomery County. In Chester County, pending sales have shown a steady increase, reflecting the area's growing appeal. Bucks County has also seen a notable rise in contract signings, indicating strong buyer interest. Delaware County and Berks County are experiencing similar positive trends, with both areas showing resilience and growth. Montgomery County has maintained stable sales, highlighting its continued desirability. All these counties are on the rise, with increasing contract signings and market activity. If you have any questions or need personalized advice, feel free to reach out to me. I'm dedicated to being your trusted real estate partner in the Philadelphia area. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more real estate updates. Stay positive, stay informed, and let's make your real estate dreams a reality. See you next time.